Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Android on your phone. Today we'll explain how to set default SIM card for make a call on your phone if you have two SIM cards. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on settings. Then press on Dual SIM Cellular and Network. After that, press on Call. Here you can find two SIM cards, SIM number 1 and SIM number 2. If you want to make SIM number 2 as a default for make a call, just press on SIM number 2. Now you already changed it. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to set default SIM card for make a call on your phone when you have two SIM cards. That's it.